what created the fear, if ever there was, created fear among the would-be investors, is the intensity of the allegations. It's not because of what could have been done. Sobra-sobra yun, the conspiracy of lahat ng sectors naman. But thank you, at least you were emphatic when you said allegations. It's the job of the courts to say whether you are guilty or not of corruption. And what they did, and this is part of Filipino culture, if I may say so. Alam mo, madali kang manira. Lalo-lalo na kung ang pagbibintangan mo, government officials. Basta sinabi kong magnanakaw, guilty ka na. Pero hindi naman nakakama yun. Ito nga was part and parcel of administration by perception. The moral problem actually is not corruption. The moral problem is poverty. And that is what I have faced. Not to fight against all these allegations, but in fight to alleviate the life of every